How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from phone. So first step is to open Google Photos app. Then click your icon here on the top right corner. You can see the storage, email account, and the status of your backup. Once this is done, close this and uninstall or turn off backup of your app. We are doing this because deleting photos from the app will also make your photos disappear from your device. Now open Safari app, go to Google, then type in Google Photos. Now click on sign in, then sign in the Gmail account where your photos is backed up. Here you can see the backed up photos. Click on the three dots and click on select photos. Now you need to select what you will delete manually. After this, tap on delete, click on got it, then move to bin. These photos will be in your bin for 60 days and will be permanently deleted after that. But if you want to delete everything permanently now, just click on these three lines, click the bin icon, tap empty bin, and your photos will be permanently deleted on Google Photos. Now check on Photos app, and the ones we deleted are still here. So that is how you delete photos from Google Photos without deleting from iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.